Check out this big rib. I'm going to show you how to make Chinese restaurant style honey garlic spare ribs. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. There is no honey in it. Normally it takes quite a while, but I'm going to make it in the Instant Pot, which will really speed it up. So the first order of business is to take this side rib and chop it up and make it into little tiny pieces. But you can leave them in long pieces if you like to. I'm going to trim off a lot of the fat, and whatever pieces of meat are also, it doesn't have to be just a rib, will go in it as well. Trim off a lot of the fat. Alright, now that we got the rib all trimmed up, it's time to cut it apart. I'm doing this in my sink to keep the splatter down when I start hacking away at the bone. Lots of meat on this. This is going to be a really nice spare rib. With a heavy knife, chop the spare ribs into 1.5 inch pieces, or you can leave them as full-size rib pieces too. Next, smash a handful of garlic, roughly 12 to 18 cloves. Place the ribs into the Instant Pot. Then add 2 cups dark brown sugar. Then add 1 cup of water. Add the garlic. And add 5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And finally, add 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce. Give the whole thing a good stir to mix well. I'm going to cook it in the Instant Pot at high pressure for 40 minutes. 30 minutes actually will work as well. A lot of fat will have rendered out. Skim this fat and discard. Serve with rice and some stir-fried vegetables. Alright, they're all done. Look how amazing these are. Fall off the bone after 40 minutes. Could even do like half an hour. It's like eating candy. Man, oh my god, these are good. Completely fall off the bone. Tender, sweet. Man, this Instant Pot is awesome. It's a hit. Give this recipe a try. Also, if you want, take some of the juice, reduce it down and make it into a glaze, and then you can put it on top of it as well. That makes it even extra rich, but I don't think it even needs that. All right, I gotta go eat my supper.